how to liquidate credit cards into cash with Plastiq. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can liquidate credit cards into cash with Plastiq. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Plastiq website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in order to liquidate your credit cards, first you have to add your credit card in Plastiq website. So, in order to do that, first you have to click on link account. Then click on credit card and click on continue. After that, you have to just enter the credentials of your card and click on continue and your card will be added. Then what you have to do is click on payments. Then click on make a payment. After that, enter the vendor's name and click on continue. Then you have to just complete the next basic steps and you will be able to liquidate your credit cards. So that's how you can liquidate credit cards into cash with Plastiq. That's all for this video.